Hello, I am back and I am playing Bloxburg. So my sister right here is, well, trying to make food but doesn't have enough money to make food. So technically now she's just scamming me and saying, give me money, give me money, give me money, give me money. So I guess I'm just gonna... What? Oh, okay. So I think I'm just gonna grow up and make my own food because honestly I am starving. I'm not sure if she's like scamming me or something. She's like, I need more money, I need more money, I need more money, I need more. And I'm pretty sure I already gave her like at least $60. Thank you. Garden salad, bacon and eggs, Now I'm cutting my garden salad. Now I'm gonna mix the garden salad. No, what is that like blur? That looks really weird. To be honest, yeah, that looks like pretty weird. Oh. Okay. Food's on the table. Eat. Take a portion. So I got a bowl of salad. I got a bowl of salad. Close. Now who's in here? Come. Oh well. Gah! Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna go. Oh my gosh, what's happening to the car? You know what? I'm out. You done yet? You done yet? Oops. No. Okay, Okay. I'm still learning how to use one of these cards. Okay. I'm gonna come in here and change my look because I do not want to be a big person. I want to be a little 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 person. Doop. Yay! Ow. Ow. No, No, but watch this. Like, you go through a floor. That is just like, ugh. Oh my god, doesn't that hurt? Like, wow. Ow. Yes. Run. Okay, so, to be honest, this was a very short video, but, please like and subscribe. This was kind of like, yeah, this was a 5-minute video, I'm sorry, but, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye!